Hi everyone. Facing complex condition, selection is like a multiple choice puzzle. Can you give us clear decisions?
Yeah, absolutely. We simplified into 5 steps. Step 1, function on and off or flow control. If regulating butterfly is preferred, if only isolation considered gate. The step 2, media corrosive abrasive. This dictates the material. Step 3, parameter exact pressure and temperature. This defines the pressure class. Step 4, connection, flank wafer, butt weld. This affects the installation. And step 5, operation and space, manual or actuated, space constraints. This finalizes the type.
These 5 steps are a clear roadmap. How do we help clients through them?
Yeah, we provide a wave selection checklist. Consider all the details by filling it out, or engineers can quickly provide the most accurate solution.
Thank you.
Welcome.